You've seen it everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. That effortless, swept back and perfectly textured hair that looks like the guy just woke up and it fell into place. Flow hair. And you want it. You've probably wanted it for months. So you tried growing your hair out. And what happened? It didn't flow. It just got awkward, messy, flat in some places, poofy in others, sticking out at weird angles, looking less like a model and more like you just gave up on grooming. You probably thought, maybe my hair just can't do this. Maybe I don't have the right hair type. Maybe flow hair is only for guys with naturally perfect hair. Wrong. Flow hair isn't genetics. It's a process. A specific process that nobody actually explains properly. They just show you the finished result and leave you to figure it out. I'm going to break down exactly how to get flow hair from scratch, what to grow, how to survive the awkward phase, how to train your hair, what products to use, and how to style it once you're there. Full guide. No fluff. Let's go. Phase 1. The starting point. Get the right cut. First, most guys make the same mistake right at the start. They think flow hair means just stop cutting your hair and wait, let it grow wild. Come back in 4 months and somehow it'll look great. That's how you end up looking homeless, not stylish. Flow hair starts with the right foundation cut. Here's what to ask your barber for. Keep the top long, at least 3 to 4 inches to start with. Get the sides and back tapered, not a skin fade, not buzzed, just lightly tapered so they blend naturally as everything grows out together. The key is keeping length on top while the sides stay clean enough that your hair doesn't mushroom outward during the growth phase. Tell your barber you're growing your hair out for flow. Any good barber will know how to set the foundation. If they don't understand, find a different barber. Also get layers added early. Layers remove bulk and create movement. Without layers, your hair will grow outward like a helmet instead of falling naturally. This one haircut sets up everything that follows. Phase 2. The awkward phase. How to survive it. This is where 90% of guys quit. Your hair hits that in-between length, too long to style short, too short to flow back. It sticks out at the sides, the back flips up, the front falls in your eyes. Nothing cooperates. You look in the mirror and every instinct tells you to cut it. Don't. The awkward phase typically lasts 4 to 8 weeks depending on how fast your hair grows. Every single guy with great flow hair went through this. No exceptions. Here's how to survive it. Wear a cap when you need to. No shame in it. Caps actually help train your hair backward during this phase, which is exactly the direction you want it growing. Use a headband at home. Push your hair back while you're sleeping or relaxing. Your hair has memory. The more time it spends pushed back, the more it learns to stay there. Get maintenance trims every 6 to 8 weeks, not a full cut. Just cleaning up the sides and back so you don't look sloppy while the top keeps growing. Tell your barber don't touch the top, just clean up the edges. This phase is temporary. The result is permanent. Push through it. Phase 3. Training your hair. This is the secret. Here's the part nobody talks about. Flow hair doesn't just happen because your hair is long enough. It happens because you trained your hair to move in the right direction. Hair has memory. Whatever direction you push it consistently, it learns to fall that way naturally over time. Here's the daily training routine. After every shower, while your hair is still damp, push it straight back with your fingers. Not to the side, straight back. Then use a blow dryer on medium heat and blow from front to back while running your fingers through your hair. Do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You're teaching your hair where to go. Then throughout the day, whenever your hair falls forward or to the side, push it back again with your hands. Every time, consistently. Within 2 to 3 weeks of doing this daily, your hair will start naturally falling backward on its own. That's when the flow starts showing up. The blow dryer is not optional during this phase. It's the single most important tool for training direction and adding volume at the root. Without it, your hair will just lay flat against your head. Phase 4. The right products. Keep it simple. Most guys either use no product and their flow falls flat by noon, or they use the wrong product and their hair looks crunchy, stiff, and unnatural. Flow hair needs 2 things from a product: hold and texture, but lightweight hold, not cement. Here's the only product stack you need: a sea salt spray. This is your best friend. Spray it into damp hair before blow drying. It adds natural texture and wave that tousled, beachy look that makes flow hair actually look like flow hair. 2 to 3 sprays is enough. Don't overdo it or your hair will feel dry and crusty. A matte, clay, or paste. After blow drying, take a small amount like the size of a fingernail, warm it between your palms, and run it through your hair from front to back. This gives you light hold, natural movement, and 0 shine. That's it. 2 products: sea salt spray and matte clay. Avoid gel. Avoid hairspray. Avoid anything that makes your hair look wet or stiff. Flow hair should look like you didn't try, not like you glued it in place. Phase 5. The styling routine. 5 minutes every morning. Once your hair is long enough and trained, this is your daily routine. Step 1. Shower. Towel dry your hair until it's about 80% dry, not soaking wet, not fully dry. Damp. Step 2. Spray sea salt spray evenly through your hair. 2 to 3 sprays. Run your fingers through to distribute it. Step 3. Blow dry from front to back. Medium heat. Use your fingers to push your hair back and slightly to the side, whichever direction your flow naturally wants to go. Lift at the roots for volume. 3 to 4 minutes. Step 4. Let it cool for a minute. Your hair sets its shape as it cools. If you touch it too early, the volume drops. Step 5. Take a tiny amount of clay. Warm it between your palms. Run through your hair lightly, focusing on the ends and mid-lengths. Don't touch the roots or you'll kill the volume. Done. 5 minutes. Your flow is set for the entire day. The maintenance: keep your flow alive. Getting flow hair is one thing. Keeping it looking good is another. Trim every 6 to 8 weeks. Just maintenance. Clean up split ends and keep the shape. Tell your barber to keep the layers and length, just refine the shape. Don't wash your hair every day. 2 to 3 times a week max. Overwashing strips the natural oils that give your hair that effortless texture. On non-wash days, just rinse with water and restyle. Use conditioner every time you shampoo. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, not the roots. This keeps your hair soft and flowing instead of dry and frizzy. And here's a bonus tip most guys don't know. Sleep with your hair pushed back. Your hair spends 8 hours in whatever position you sleep in. If it's pushed forward against the pillow, you wake up fighting against it. Push it back before bed. You'll wake up with half the styling already done. Reality check. Flow hair takes time. There's no shortcut. From a shortcut to full flow typically takes 3 to 5 months. Some guys take longer depending on hair type and growth speed. Your hair might not look exactly like the guy on Pinterest. Every hair type flows differently. Straight hair flows smoother and sleeker. Wavy hair flows with more texture and volume. Both look great, just different. Stop comparing your month 2 to someone else's month 6. Trust the process. The bottom line: flow hair isn't genetics. It's not luck. It's not reserved for guys with perfect hair. It's a system. The right starting cut. Surviving the awkward phase. Training your hair daily. Using the right products. Styling consistently. Every guy with flow hair you've ever seen online went through the exact same messy, awkward, frustrating process you're about to go through. The difference is they didn't quit at month 2 when it looked terrible. They kept going. They trained it. They styled it. And one morning they looked in the mirror and it finally clicked. That morning is coming for you too. Start today.